I'll never forget the night I came home from work and found my little girl in tears. I took her in my arms and said, "What's the matter, honey? I'll fix it if it takes 100 years." And she said, "Daddy, I ran in the house for just a minute. I wasn't in there very long. And when I came back out, I looked everywhere, but my teddy bear's gone. Someone stole my teddy bear. I left it lying on the stair. The meanest person anywhere has got my teddy bear." Well, I looked everywhere, and I asked all the neighbors, but it was nowhere to be found. So I bought her another little teddy bear the very next time I went downtown. But she didn't want that one. She wanted old Boo Boo, and the new one just wasn't the same. And I felt like I really let my little baby down. Kids think dads can just fix anything. Someone stole my teddy bear. I left it lying on the stair. The meanest person anywhere has got my teddy bear. Well, all too soon our little girl grew up and got married. And we thought her life was all set. Until that night, her and her little baby came back home with a look I'll never forget. It seems her husband had found himself another woman, and now he and that woman had gone away. And she looked so much like my hurt little girl again, I halfway expected her to say, "Someone stole my teddy bear. I left it lying on the stair. The meanest person anywhere has got my teddy bear."